Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the Windows Update history on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt, right click on it, and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have three commands in the description of my video. Go ahead and copy the first one, and then go to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and paste it in, hit enter on the keyboard. And once it says it's been completed successfully, go ahead and copy the second command and paste that one in as well, hit enter. And then finally run the third command here and hit enter. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of all of those windows and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. I should have cleared out the Windows Update history at this point. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.